Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by blooming the gelling agent because that step activates its network. Pour 1/4 cup cold water over 1 tablespoon gelatin or agar and let it sit 5 to 10 minutes. While that rests, measure 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 cup glucose syrup, and 1/4 teaspoons salt so everything's ready. Set an 8x8 pan, lightly oil it, then dust with equal parts cornstarch and powdered sugar. This prevents sticking later. Once the bloom looks spongy, move straight to heating. Heat the sugar, glucose syrup, and 1/4 cup water to softball stage, about 115 to 120 degrees Celsius, 240 degrees Fahrenheit, because that concentration gives structure and chew. Once it reaches temperature, slowly pour the hot syrup into the bloomed gelatin while whisking. This dissolves and distributes the gel. Cool the mixture to roughly 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, then whip on medium-high speed, about 10 to 15 minutes, until the marshmallow triples, turns white and glossy. Make sure to add vanilla or flavor at the end. Pour the whipped marshmallow into your prepared pan, smoothing it with an oiled spatula and tapping the pan to burst large bubbles. Then dust the top and let it set for 4 to 6 hours at room temperature. To cut, oil a sharp knife or use a pizza cutter and coat pieces in cornstarch plus powdered sugar so they don't stick. If the batch is runny, chill it briefly to firm up. If it's rubbery, you likely overheated the syrup. Next time, reduce temperature slightly and monitor closely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.